Welcome. This episode we're going to be building two parts. First part will be 6-25, the vibrating lever pin. Second part will be 6-26, anchor link shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building two parts again. First part will be part 6-25, vibrating lever pin. The second part will be 6-26, anchor link shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. So file, new, part MMGS. So we've got right, sketch, circle. This is so simple. This one's just a cylinder. It's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. Going to be feature extrude. C4. Mid plane. Okay. Sketch. And we'll go to brush steel. And done. So that's that piece done. Go file, new, part MMGS, right plane sketch, circle, cylinder. That's going to be dimension of 6 mil. 6 mil. Feature, extrude. It's going to be 187. Gonna do that mid plane. That's gonna be stainless steel as well. No, not the brush steel. Brush steel. There we go. Screwed out. Now we want to go to. Let's do. We're gonna do plane. Click on that one. And that's going to be we define. Do I have dimension? Cancel that. I've got to put a line in. Let's do top plane sketch. I'm going to do a center point. Going to go all the way through there. Beautiful. Exit out, so we don't need that anymore. Oh, we need it, but we don't need to be in there. Go plane, endpoint, and the line. That's what it's after. Thank you. Okay. Let's do both of these ends. That way they're both done then. And oh. I'll look at you. Done both already. Perfect. Okay. There we go. So we now want to go to thread. Always a thread. It's M6. M6 point. Whoop, that's 60. What's 6? Where are you? 6. Oh, be up in 6-1. Where are you? There it is. 6M by 10. There we go. Now we want this circle will be there. Oh, I just remembered something. Hold on. Let's just finalize that 1 minute. Let's go back to this sketch here. We need edit. So I need to go smart dimension. That's going to be 10. And Tell you why in a minute. So exit out sketch. Now we go back to thread, open up. Now we want to do 10 mil. That's going to be, how long is it? 16. 16. Now we do 5, 1. Ah, yeah, that's right. So 16 needs to be 26. 26. This point here, we need to click on this one. There we go. I knew there's a reason. That way the thread will go fully out. It's not going to be like locked. It's not going to have a closed in piece. The reason I did 10 millimeters, the thread is 16 millimeters plus 10 is 26. That way, 10 plus 16, I've got the full thing in there. I do okay. Now if we go down here, oops, wonky, there we go. Let me just hide that one, thank you. See, the thread comes fully out, it's not closed in. That's why I do that. Anyone knows a different way to do it? I'm always willing to learn, always willing to share. Share anything that, you know, challenge me. That's what I'm here for. We learn both ways. All right, again. Thread. So we want the circle. Circle, thank you. And then the, come on, place. It's already 26 and okay. So hide that plane and hide that line. That one, thank you. There we go. Perfect. Bring it in. That's part 6-28. Anchor link shaft done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. It does help me out. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.